So Gary really knows what these things are like, and he's laying some truth on you so that you know what to expect, so that this could be successful for you, right? Because they're not always successful. Sometimes people,
Correct.
they meet an attorney, they leave, they're upset.
Yeah.
Like, he didn't listen, she didn't
That's
listen,
right.
whatever. So we want to give them the tools to go in and have some success, because there's even sometimes there are things they should bring with them, right?
Absolutely. It's incredibly helpful, especially if there's some history, right? If there's, relationships in the past that have ended, like a divorce or something, if there's criminal history or encounters with immigration, decisions with immigration in the past, maybe a previous denial or something. The more of that kind of documentation, criminal record, deportation history, decision information from the government, anything that can help us to understand what the government is looking at as we present an application to them, or that they're going to need to be able to present the application. That's going to be really helpful to bring that along so that we can assess it.
But what if I'm embarrassed about something in the past, and so I don't tell you about it, right? I don't want you to know everything about my life.
I mean, I think of that as kind of like going to a doctor and saying that your head hurts when really it's your foot. Doctor can't help you with your hurt foot if you're telling the doctor that your head hurts, right? It's the same for us. We have to know the history. It's all confidential. I mean, everything that you say in a consultation does not leave that room. It's one of our ethics requirements as licensed attorneys.
Right.
Yeah, that we have to keep it confidential.
That's not your law firm. This is bar
No,
association.
that's correct. That's very deep in the law, right? Any violation of confidences could cause someone to lose their license.
I mean,
right?
in a way, like the doctor.
Yeah, that's right.
We all see that on TV, patient-doctor confidentiality.
Exactly right.
You've got this
correct
as well.
That is correct.
Okay.
And so you want to be open and put it all on the table, regardless of the circumstance, because the truth is that even if you haven't told anybody, there's a really good chance the government knows.
Yeah.
These days,
it's on the internet somewhere.
Who knows, right? I mean, but somehow the government's going to find it. So there's no hiding from it. And so it only hurts you to not let your lawyer know when you've got that issue, because if we don't know about it, we can't help you try to address it or deal with it.
If it pops up later,
it's a disaster.
It's a disaster.
If we know from the beginning, then we can
Right.
help you come up with a plan to strategize around it. But if we don't know,
it could kill the whole thing.
It absolutely can.
It's probably got a large likelihood if it pops up.
That is correct.
too
The
late in
chances of
process.
you outsmarting the government is very small. It's just not going to happen. Not these days.